Hey there, this is Akshit Madan and welcome back to the 30 Days 30 Concepts of Flutter series for beginners. And we have already covered 10 parts of this series. And in the last part, we were seeing this bottom sheet widget. So now in this video, we are going to see the animated text. So as you can see, this package, which is contributed by Ayush Agarwal, and that's a very beautiful package because it can take your apps to the next level. As you can see, you can get these type of animated text. Not this much, but you can see that there are a lot of types of animated text, and you can also create your own animations and you can contribute to this package, right? So you can see that you can get this kind of animated text. You can get this type of fading animations, this kind of typewriter animations, and this one is also typewriter. So I have started using these animated text in my apps that I build for project purpose. So I want that you should also use. That's why we are going to use this package today, and we are going to show you how you can use it, and you can just take your apps to the next level, right? So first of all, if you are new on my channel, you can like my videos and subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Instagram, that's a very bad thing. Please follow me because I'm uh, posting something great on my Instagram, and everyone is going to like these posts, right? So please do it. So now let's go to my VS Code and start coding. So now first of all, let's create a new file in the widgets, and I'm going to call it animated text animated text dot. So let's create the basic scaffold. So you can just fast forward this part because we have already created this part a lot of times. And so let me just do it fastly. Now I'll create a scaffold, simple app bar, and I'll save it. So now I'll go in my main.dart, and instead of returning bottom sheet, I will return animated text widget. Let's save it. Yes, perfect. Now I can go on my animated text, and in the body I'm going to return a column because we are going to see different types of animated text that are present in that package. So I'll define a simple column, and in this column, as you know that we have children, that these parts, these columns and containers we have already seen a lot of times in the previous parts, so you can watch the previous parts, right? So now I'm going to show you the first animated text that is present in the package, and for that we are going to use animated text kit. So over here you have to define animated text kit, and we are forgetting the very basic thing, that is we need to add this package in pubspec.yml. So let's do it. Copy it, then go in pubspec.yml and paste that in dependencies, and run flutter pub. So that dependency is added now. So let's go to animated text.dart, and over here let me just call this animated text again. Yes, not this one, animated text kit we have to call. So in this we have to provide a compulsory parameter, that is animated text that takes a list, and in this you can provide different types of animated text that are present in this package. So as you can see, we have first of all, what we can see, we had a typewriter. So let's see that first. So we have this typewriter animated text. So let's do it. So in this list you have to write typewriter animated text, typewriter animated text, yes, this one. And in this you have to first of all provide the text. So let me just take my name only, right? And in this you can also provide text styles. So let's write text style, and in this text style you can provide Google Fonts or any custom text style you can provide. So let me just provide font size and boldness. So I'll write font size, let me take 30, then I'll take font weight, and I will take font weight dot bold. So I have defined my text style also. Now what after this? So let first of all come out of this text style. So it is ending over here, and then we have to define the speed. So what should be the animation speed, right? So you have to define animation speed. So in this you have to define duration. So let's define duration, and in this duration you can define anything in milliseconds, or you can see in days, in hours, in microseconds. So mostly we use milliseconds. So I want it to be quick, so I'll just put 100 milliseconds, save it, right? And then we have to rerun this app. So let's do it, and few other parameters are also there, so let's see them also. So after coming out of this list you have to provide total repeat count. So how many times you want to repeat the animation, right? So if I just write total repeat count to be 4, so 4 times this animation will be repeated. And pause, so you have the pause parameter. So what should be the pause duration in between the first animation and the second animation? So let's keep it to be 200 milliseconds. So let me just copy this and let me just paste it, and I'll make it to be 200. And the next is display full text on tab. So whenever I will click on this animation, ongoing animation, I want to see the full text. So maybe someone is not having so much time to see this animation, so he can just click on this text and he can see the full text. So you can write display full text on tab, and you can write true, then stop on pause. So I'll also make it true. So whenever I tap on it, I want to pause the animation. So let me just save it, and now we can rerun the app. So you can see the beautiful animation. The pause between them is 200 milliseconds, and the duration of this animation, one animation, is 100 milliseconds. So you can also increase it. So let me just do it and rerun it. So you will see that animation has become slower. You can see it is now slow. So you can just click on it and it will just pause the animation. So I hope you got it. So now let's see a few more animated text kits. So what is there in it? So let's see a few more animation texts. So let me just put a comma, and in this I will again define this animation text kit. So let me just copy it and paste it below it. And in this, my animated text will not be typewriter. So let me just remove it. And my animated text will be rotated animation text. So write rotated animated text. Yeah, write it. And in this also you have to write the text. So I want to write hello. And then you can again define the text style. So I'll just copy it from here. Then you can paste it over here, save it. And then the next thing that I want to do is, so in this animated text list you can provide one more rotated text, so that will be now considered a row, right? So let me just show you. So copy it, then paste it below this, and you can write world now. And you can also increase the font weight, or you can decrease this font weight. So let's keep it font 600, W600, and perfect. You can provide different colors to it. So let me just provide colors dot red, and okay. And the next thing that we want to provide is come out of this animated text list, and we need to change these parameters. So we actually need to remove these parameters. Let me just comment them out, save it, and let's rerun the app. You can see that the animation is going on, but this first text has to move because we have not defined the main axis alignment. So I'll define the main axis alignment dot center, so that it should remain every time at the center only. Main axis alignment dot center. Save it and rerun the app. You can see hello, then world is coming. Let's define the cross axis alignment also, or we can just wrap this column in the center. So that will be perfect. And now if I just save it, and if I just, yeah, if I just rerun it, then you can see the perfect thing. Perfect. hello, then world is coming, right? So I can just write one more text so that it should look more beautiful. Copy it, then paste it, and I can just make it hello beautiful. If I just save it, or I need to rerun it, let's do it. You can see then hello, then beautiful will come, then world will come, right? So these kinds of animation you can include in your apps also. That adds a good value to your user interface, right? Now we will see one more text, animated text kit, and then we will wrap up, right? So let's do it. So my animated text kit is ending over here. So let me just write one more animated text kit. And in this also I have to provide a list. And in this list, this time I'm going to write wavy animated kit. Wavy animated text, sorry. Wavy animated text, this one. Again, you have to write the text. So I'll write hello world. Then you can just write a comma. And again, you have to define one more wavy animated text. Let me just copy it. So everything that you're providing in this list will be taken inside a row, right? So let me just save it. So you can see this kind of, but I want to make it a little bigger. So I'll copy this text style and I will put that over here. And if I just now save it, you can see hello world and this beautiful animation is there. If I just rerun it, then you will be able to see all the three animations going on. And let me just comment this middle one because it takes the space and it removes the space. So I will just copy save it now, and you can see animate. And let me just comment this first one also so that you can focus on the last animation only. You can see this is a wavy animation kit, right? So now you can add these animated kit to your apps and you can just enjoy them, right? They are not only this much. You can see we have seen typewriter, and we have typer also, which looks like this. And we have the fade one, and we have this rotate one. This we have already seen. So next we have scale, so it will scale up, scale down. Colorize, right? So this gradient animated animation is there. Then this is the most beautiful animated kit that I found in this package, and this is really good one, right? Liquid E, right? And this we have already seen. So and the next one is flicker frenzy. Flicker it is called, right? So you can also create your own animations using custom painter or anything, and using animations package that is already inbuilt package in Flutter. And you can also report a bug or request in the GitHub repository if you found. And kudos to all the contributors. They have created a really a very beautiful package. And if you like this package, you can go to their GitHub and you can fork this package, or you can star this package, right? So yeah. So in this video, we learned about animated text kit. I hope you like this video. Till the next content, keep coding, keep innovating, and thanks a lot.